guys, welcome back to the journey. I'm Becca. Thank you for clicking on this video today. As you read by the title, we are going to go over the SLAYGLAM box for August 2020. Now, I will let you know that the last video I did on this box was the Supreme Mystery Box. If you haven't seen that, I will link it down in the description box. Please do go over, check that out. Now, this is a indie brand subscription box. It retails for $24 a month. It is supposed to be a value of $100. This is an all palette month to make up for all of the hassle and confusion from prior months. May, we didn't have any boxes. June, people got 2 and 3 boxes. So that is why she did an all palette month. Now, I did get my subscription box on the 31st of August. They do take out on the 1st of every month. Sometimes you do not get it in the same month, but this month we did. Even though it was the last day of the month, we did still get it in the month of August. So this month it came like this. Now, it usually comes in a little, this is from my Supreme Mystery Box, that's why it's so big, but it is smaller and it usually comes in a container like this. Looks like a little purse, pink. It's been like this since she started the subscription box. So I was surprised to see that this was from, in fact, SLAYGLAM box. So I did cut it open, and everything in here, that is how it looks when you open it. So when I seen that it was from SLAYGLAM box, I just stopped. I haven't looked at anything. I haven't seen anything. I did see the spoiler for the blush palette, and that is it. So we're going to go ahead and go over it today. Alright, so everything is nicely wrapped in the little bubble wrap. I am going to take a minute because there is no card and I do want to give you prices. So give me 1 second and we'll be right back. Okay, so I have looked up prices so that I can give you the retail value of everything, how much it retails for, and how much our total bag value is. Sorry guys, just can't get comfortable here. Alright, so I'm going to take everything out and just lay it out. Okay. So the first thing I'm seeing is from Beauty Treats Blush and Go. It is a blush palette. That is what it looks like. There are multiple colors of blush. I do like a blush palette. So let's go ahead and swatch some of these. And I just went completely around the circle. They are a little bit chalky. And there's not much pigment. But that's okay because you can always, I'm sure, build it up. Let's see if we can build it up. Yeah, so it does build up, which is alright. So let's go in the middle. I don't know who's going to be wearing that color blush, but if you have deeper skin, that will look amazing. So there's our blush palette, and this retails for $9. Now in our mystery bag box, we did get the little glitter from this company. So a blush palette for $9. The next thing we have is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. It's a cute little quaint palette, very travel friendly. It is a plastic. This thing retails for $25. Now I can assure you I will not be paying or would not pay $25 for this. Either way, that is what it looks like. Now when I opened this, I thought it was a face palette, but it is a eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and swatch this one too. There are the colors. Let's get it. Okay, so there are the colors. They are not very, they're not very pigmented for $25. I can assure you I would not be giving $25 for that. But nonetheless, there that is. The next thing we have is from Oakland, and as you remember from the Supreme Mystery Box, we got the $65 Oakland palette that I put up against another $65 palette that was just garbage. So here is my second go at Oakland. This is the Liquid Metal Eyeshadow. The names are underneath them. This retails for $10.99. I will say there's no mirror. With a liquid pressed eyeshadow, I'm intrigued by this. It looks beautiful. So let's go ahead and swatch this. So there are those colors. Dogs are in here, guys. I do apologize. Okay, so that one has pigment. Let's go ahead and get that blue. Bell. Goodness. So there are those colors, and they are pretty. They are very pigmented. Very, very, very pretty. So I am super not even mad at that one. I'm looking forward to trying that on my eyes. And this retailed for $10.99 if I didn't say that. The next thing is from Hikari. This is the Butterfly Effect Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, very, very pretty. Y'all know I have a thing about butterflies. So there is no mirror, but that is what it looks like. Little tapey thing. That is what it looks like. I am not going to swatch all of those, but I will swatch a couple of them. I'm going to do this purple shimmer. We're going to do this color right here. This Mingle and Tempting. So there are a couple of those colors. Yeah, this one's a little chalky. Not the best pigment, but swatches don't mean a whole lot. It's how it performs on your eyes. So even though a palette can swatch awful, does not mean that it will be bad on your eyes. And this palette, retails for $53. Now, I would never give $53 for this, even though it has a butterfly that I am just drawn to butterflies. I still would not pay $53 for this. Never. Nope. Mm-mm. Does it not go in there that way? I don't know. Okay. And then the last thing is from Be a Bombshell Eyeshadow Palette in Bold. And this retailed for $16. Again, I do like the little plastic container. Makes it very travel friendly when we're allowed to travel again. This one's very hard to open. Oh my goodness. It's got one of these awful little brushes in it. And then that is what the palette looks like. Now this is giving me Hocus Pocus vibes. Very Halloween themed colors. The green and that peach look amazing. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. So there are the 4 of the 6 colors. So there are those. There's the last 2. Not a very good black. And then there is that green. Alright, so there is those colors in that palette. Very chalky, very lackluster with pigment. And if I didn't say it, this retails for $16. So, let's recap what we got. We got the Be a Bombshell for $16. We got the Hikari Butterfly Effect for $53. We have the Liquid Metals for $10.99. The Peach Blossom for $25. And the Blush Palette for $9. So we got a total of 5 palettes for August of 2020. Now some of them I will use, some of them I probably will not. And no, this does not smell like peach. I thought maybe, but no. So for our box this month, it was $113.99, which is over the $100 that she says this bag would be valued at. It's not what I was expecting. 5 to 7 palettes is what she claimed would be in this box. There are 5 palettes, but I mean 6 colors, 4 colors. It wasn't what I expected. I will use what I got. I will make the most of it. I will come on and do some looks and show you about the palettes and what I think of them. So, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you get SLAYGLAM box. Let me know what you think about the all palette month. Was it what you were thinking it was going to be? Were you disappointed? Will you be ordering again, or are you done? On my eyes today, I am wearing the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. I am so ready for my Orgy palette to be here that I have referred to this palette. And then on my lips, I am wearing Leo with Mannequin in the middle and a little of the Jouer Rose Gold Gloss. So that is what I'm wearing. Please do rate this video. Give me a like, give me a dislike, either way. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel if you would be so kind to do so. So comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Let's communicate. As always, guys, love yourself. Until next time, bye.